Eurjpy. So from yesterday, um, we more or less had this zone that I said if we could trade above, we'll see further push to the upside. Okay, which we traded above yesterday, but early this morning we came down to retest 185. Okay, and a lot of people have been messaging me, uh, saying that the market is selling off. That what should they do regarding the active positions? I said, I'm going to just bluntly say what I said. I said, unless the selling candle can close below the lows of the bullish candle, then I'll be looking to close out all my long positions because that simply just tells me sellers are now in control or now have enough momentum to push price to the downside. But I did tell them to wait because I've been through this most of the times where the market will look like it wants to sell off and then pull back. So it happens all the time in the market. So the best thing to do now is just wait to see how this daily candle closes. If it closes below this low, fine. I'm very happy taking my positions off the market because they're quite in profit. Okay. So what I'll be looking out for, okay, right now is seeing how price retested 185. Okay. Uh, it's just from to me this is just a simple pullback, okay, before a new leg to the upside. Now most people would think we call this liquidity sweep, but for me price just came to retest 185. So the best thing to do now is wait to see how the daily candle closes, and if it does close below this low, okay, I will be looking to take out my positions. If it doesn't, fine, we hold and see if we could achieve 186 to 50. Now on the GBP side of things, um, from yesterday, I did say we are going to see a sell-off. Okay, now we came into one of my reversal zones. Okay, 135.61.8, tapped into that, traded to the downside. As you can see, we traded below the trend line area of resistance, made a new lower low. Okay, right here. So what I'm looking out for today would be retrace, retest, and then execute to the downside. See, so I'm seeing how price traded below 134.380 or 134.350. More or less tells me that we could continue to the downside, especially now that we've seen the daily printing out sellers candle. So we could see that form. Okay. Now we could retest 138.480 and then sell off. Now I'm currently short right here because from my previous video I did say that we traded below the lows of this bearish candle, which is a telltale sign that sellers are in the market. Okay, and I basically just waited for this retrace. I thought this retrace would get all the way up to 135, but it didn't. Okay, so more or less executed um, when I saw. Hold on, guys. So I more or less executed when I saw this here. When I saw this candle trade below the lows of support here and here, I more or less executed on this bullish candle pullback, and yeah, I'm still very much short, and I know this spec could still go lower. Okay, but the best thing to do right now is wait, seeing that the 4 hour time frame is currently making a retracement. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, we have like a break of resistance somewhere around here, which more or less confirms that move to me that we could see 134.380. So the best thing to do now is just wait and see how the market performs. Have a good trading day, guys.